Are you a Perma Blend or Microbeau fan just waiting for the perfect PMU machine? Your wait is now over thanks to the Perma Pen Signature. All the best of each brand in one permanent makeup machine. I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today we're thrilled to share with you the Perma Pen Signature. A collaboration from two of our favourite PMU brands, the wireless signature machine has an all-round 2.7mm stroke length and an intuitive interface you'll recognise from the Microbeau Flux Mini, Flux S and Flux S Max. Interested? Then keep watching. The Perma Pen Signature is a gorgeous lavender machine that's comfortable, lightweight and ergonomic. Made from aircraft-grade aluminium, the machine weighs only 120 grams with the battery pack attached and with a grip tapering from 26 down to 19mm. You'll be amazed at the extra low levels of vibration that make working a breeze. A solid LED means you're at a full value, and a blinking LED shows you're at a half value. You can see here that a solid orange LED means that we're currently operating at 7 volts. And if we press the up button again, it becomes a blinking orange light to indicate that we're now running at 7.5 volts. You can also adjust the step settings from 0.5 volt steps to 0.1 volts. Check your current battery level, adjust the brightness of the LED and enter travel safe mode with a 3-button interface. The PowerVolt Mini powers the Signature's proprietary 6-watt motor for up to 5 hours, depending on your voltage and the cartridges you use. It's compatible with universal cartridges and charged via USB-C, so there should be no trouble when keeping your machine charged wherever you are. Keeping your Perma Pen Signature sterile is easy, with a removable, autoclavable grip which can be turned to adjust needle depth. Turn clockwise to increase depth and counterclockwise to decrease it, in satisfying 0.2mm clicks. The Perma Pen Signature is now available on the Killer Beauty store. Just follow the link below to get yours today. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for product reviews, educational content and interviews with our sponsored artists. Exclusively available on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel.